Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Ti-84 plus CE and confirming it has sufficient charge. Low battery changes performance. Next, set mode to the measurement and display settings you need: degree versus radian, normal versus scientific notation, and decimal precision, because those choices affect every calculation. Once done, clear old variables and history to avoid conflicts. Press the memory sequence and delete unwanted lists. Make sure to keep contrast readable. If the screen is faint, adjust contrast now so you enter data through the Stat Edit screen for lists and through the Home screen for expressions. This matters because list data feeds statistical functions automatically. When typing formulas, use parentheses liberally. This prevents order of operations mistakes, and use the caret for exponents. Once data are entered, edit a cell by selecting it and typing. Press Enter to save. If you need to reuse previous results, recall them with the AND key. This avoids retyping complex expressions and reduces transcription errors during multi-step problems. You graph by defining your window parameters first. Choose sensible xmin and xmax, then matching immin and imax so the curve displays properly. Next, enable the appropriate plot or enter functions in y equals. Press Graph to view, then use Trace for coordinates or Zoom Fit to auto-adjust the window. For precise values, use the Calculation menu to find zeros, intersections, and derivatives. If a graph doesn't show, check Mode and Window Settings. If still blank, reset plots and confirm the function isn't undefined at the interval.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.